A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now. Take a few moments to be mindful of your breath. Feel each breath move in and out of your body. Become aware of the sensation of being alive, being in this moment. When you're ready, fully open your eyes and imagine or actually begin your walk outside. Notice the sights, sounds, and smells around you. Let the rhythm of your walking create its own word or phrase. Each step creating an affirmation to clear away any mental clutter or lingering thoughts. Allow yourself to become present with all that is around you, appreciating the beauty and the simple moments, like a bird singing or the sun warming your skin. Breathe in and out. Place one foot in front of the other as an act of kindness toward yourself, purposefully moving forward to find peace and clarity. Notice any sensations in your body, the sensation of your steps and the earth beneath you. Breathe into each step, allowing yourself to become more present with every breath and every motion. Notice how the cool air or warm breeze fills your body as you take it all in. Savor these moments of connection with nature and all that surrounds you, finding solace within this simple act of taking a walk outside or imagining it. Allow yourself to let go and be filled up by the beauty around you, being grateful for this precious time outdoors. Enjoy this moment to connect with yourself and nature, feeling recharged and refreshed when your walk comes to an end. When you're ready, take a few moments to be mindful of your breath once again before returning inside. Take these peaceful feelings with you as you settle back into your day.